Alright, this is my review, well, not really review, but unboxing of the 2800 watt Arksen jackhammer that sells on eBay. I believe I got this for about 150 bucks, just a little more than that. Just got in the mail. Came in this box. Pretty okay looking box, whatever. And it comes with the carrying case. It says right on the case, made in China. In case anybody was wondering, this Arksen 2800 watt hammer is made in China. It does seem a little Harbor Freight-ish, but I mean, it's 150 bucks. These gloves that come with it, normal work gloves. That's how you hook it up. And it says you need oil, so it comes with this little thing to oil it with. No oil, so remember, I think it says what kind of oil it needs on the listing. Here is the glasses that come with it. And they give you a couple tools so you can change the bits on it. These are the bits. Pretty hefty. Pretty hefty. They look good. You get one of those. And I believe the other tip is a pointed tip. Pointed tip. And shipping, it weighs 52 pounds altogether. The construction, it looks okay. That's a little flimsy. I've heard people have to mess with these quite a bit because they just come off. I mean, and it's only got a little pin in there. That's probably why this thing probably breaks. That's your side glass for your oil. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not bad. It looks kind of nice, and for the price, I mean, yeah, you can't beat it. You're not gonna find anything around town this cheap unless you want to rent one. That's gonna cost you 90 bucks a day plus deposit. Well, yeah, little instruction booklet, handling instructions. That's pretty much it. I will be uploading a video later. See how it runs and see how it holds up. I gotta do a whole driveway, and I'll put it to some abuse, or it's gonna get some abuse. I'm really curious to see how long these things last. What's the average lifespan of these? Because I've been reading everywhere, and a lot of them say, oh yeah, you get 50 hours out of it, or 100 hours. It's very here and there, but they give you a 60-day warranty. That's money back or exchange. So in those 60 days, hopefully, if it holds up, I mean, that's pretty good stuff. I'd say that's pretty good. Yeah, that's it. Any questions? Just comment, like, and thank you.